Today I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a transparent text in Affinity. Actually, not just text, this effect also works for shapes. So let's get started. I've already got my photo here, and I'm gonna use the Artistic Text tool for this. I'll click, drag and type Good Vibes. Change the font, align it to center, go to the character panel, and decrease the leading a little. Now I'll get the ellipse tool, draw a circle, and change the color. I'll select the Move tool, right-click on the text, select Arrange, click to front to bring the text to front. I'll resize the text a little to match the circle and align it to center. Put them together and again align them to center. Now one way to do this is by using Boolean operations. If you don't see it, you can click View, Tools, and Customize. Select Toolbar and look for Boolean operations. Drag it out and put it here. Okay, now with both text and circle selected, go to Boolean operations and click Subtract. And we've got what we are looking for. The text forms holes on the circle, and we can see the background. However, this is not really a recommended way to do, since the text is not editable anymore. So I'll undo this and get to another way. I'll press Ctrl Z until I'm back to the step where I still got the editable text and circle. I'm gonna go to the Layers panel, and with both text and circle layers still selected, I'll group them together. Then I'll expand the group, select the text layer, go to Blend Mode, and select Erase. And now we've got the transparent text effect. I can also add a shape. Let me draw a shape and fast forward. Now it's ready. I'm gonna go back to my canvas, go to File, click Place, and select the file I've just created. Adjust it a bit to match the circle and text. Next, I'll go to the Layers panel, drag the star layer into the same group as the text and circle. Change the blend mode to Erase. And now it's transparent too. Let me rotate the star a little. If I move them around, you can see the background through the text and the shape. So that's how you do the transparent text effect in Affinity. If you have any questions or any suggestions, just leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!